Hi everyone. In this short video, we are going to see how you can secure your pipeline and OpenShift environment using CyberArk Conjur solution. So let's get started. This is a sample pipeline what we have created. So here you can see a bunch of different components. Bucket is our source code repository. Then we are using Jenkins as our CI tool. We are using Terraform as CD. Applications are going to get deployed on OpenShift. And then we are leveraging upon CyberArk Conjur, which will help us to secure the secrets across your entire pipeline, as well as applications sitting on the OpenShift environment. This is how this entire pipeline is going to look like. We are going to make some changes on the Bitbucket. So there we will see Bitbucket is going to trigger a webhook to Jenkins. Jenkins is going to pull the Bitbucket credential from Conjur. It will connect and clone the repo. As a subsequent step, so Jenkins is going to grab the token from Conjur, and then using the same Terraform token, it will connect to the Terraform and it will upload and plan the manifest. And then Terraform will grab the OpenShift credentials from CyberArk Conjur. And then using the same set of credential, Terraform will connect to the OpenShift platform, deploy the application, and then once the application is deployed, application is going to fetch the sample credentials from CyberArk Conjur Cloud. Here we will see in the source code that from a developer standpoint, developer has to make a minor set of changes to integrate their CI/CD tool as well as application sitting in any of the containerized platform with CyberArk Conjur solution. Let's look into the entire pipeline. Our entire pipeline is sitting on the Bitbucket. That's where the source code repository is. My colleague has developed this Golang app. So this is what my Docker file is. And then if I go to the main.go, so you are able to see, we are going to fetch these credentials. These credentials are going to be fetched from CyberArk Conjur Cloud. This is what my application sample app. Here from a Jenkins standpoint, so this is the entire pipeline is. The whole idea is again, developers, they don't have to hard code any kind of a credentials at all. All they have to do, they have to make minor changes. In this case, all these credentials, the Bitbucket credential, Docker Hub credentials, as well as the Terraform token, all these credentials are coming from Conjur. And for Jenkins, we are leveraging upon JWT as the authentication method. For ease of convenience, we are using a pipeline project, but it doesn't matter whether you are using a freestyle project or a pipeline project. It's going to work perfectly fine for the developer use case. So we learned CyberArk is using JWT as an authentication method. We support both freestyle as well as the pipeline projects. And then from a developer standpoint, they have to just make a minor changes. Now we are going to the Terraform. In the Terraform, if we go to the providers, so that's where CyberArk, we provide a Conjur provider. So with the help of the Conjur provider, so you can easily integrate your manifest with the CyberArk Conjur. So here you can see whenever we are running this local exec, the credentials are coming from the passwords for OpenShift access is coming from CyberArk Conjur with the help of the Terraform Conjur provider. Now we will look into the OpenShift. On the OpenShift side, this is the deployment manifest file. It is creating a service account, then service. So once we go to the deployment, so here you will be able to see we are leveraging upon the same Golang app. And then here you're seeing this application container will be communicating with CyberArk Conjur using a short-lived token. And we are running container, the authenticator. This container is provided by CyberArk. Using that container with the help of the JWT authentication method, we will be grabbing a short-lived token, and short-lived token will be passed to your application container. Then application container is going to use that short-lived token to fetch the credentials. So again, this is just one of the secret delivery method. We provide tons of secret delivery methods. So push to file, API, summon, external secret operator, CSI driver, Kubernetes secret. So we try to cover all the different needs of the developer, how they design their application. Now, what we will do to trigger this entire pipeline. So I'm going to go and make some minor changes in my Terraform file. So I'm going to say just put 1, 2, 3, then we will commit. So within a couple of seconds, so we will see our pipeline has been triggered. So I'm going to go to the Jenkins. We'll go here. So we can see it will start running. So it is checking out the source code, then it's going to build the image. It's going to do all the three things what we have just learned. Let's go to the console output. Here also you can see that the secrets are being fetched and we are connecting to the bit, and then we are connecting to the Docker Hub, and then the image, Golang image is being built. At the last, we are connecting to the Terraform. So in this entire Jenkins pipeline, all the credentials are coming from CyberArk. And we have made it like so easy for the developers to consume all these secrets. That's on the Jenkins side. Let's go to the Terraform. Let me refresh it. Now, if I go to the details, so it has started running a minute ago. It is going to get applied. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. So it is applying, it is waiting, apply has finished. It looks all good. So what I do, I will get my deployment in my app test NS1 namespace. So here you can see this deployment has just run 25 seconds back. Let me display the pods or PO. So here we can see my pods are running. So here we are running one app container, one sidecar container. So now we will go to the OpenShift UI. In the UI, let's go to the home. Let's go to the projects. So app test NS1 is our namespace for the project. One pod is running. I'm going to click on it, root or route, whatever you want to call it. So this is the location. Once I click here, hey, voila, these credentials are coming from CyberArk Conjur. To validate everything, all the credentials are coming from CyberArk. So CyberArk, we got a platform. Again, all the services are available using the same UI, and you can access any of the service here. So here we are leveraging upon the CyberArk Audit service. What I'll do, I'll refresh and we will look for audit information. Once I refresh, so you are able to see bunch of event. So this event is talking about authentication has been done successfully. Again, we are leveraging upon JWT as authentication method. What I'll do, I'll pause this video because audit events, it takes 3 to 5 minutes for the audit event to start appearing here. Took less than like a couple of seconds for the audit events to start appearing. So here we can see it's 2:32, 2:33 when this host got authenticated successfully. So currently we are using service account plus namespace as an authentication method. So it went through. This is one of the audit event appeared for OpenShift application. If I go to the Jenkins, in the Jenkins also, you can see, so this was our pipeline name, bitbucket underscore Jenkins underscore Terraform underscore. Once I click on here, so here also we were using JWT as a authentication method, and it was fetching one of the credentials. Let's see which credential it is. So here, if I go to the service data, it was fetching a Terraform. That's how like you will be able to see, hey, it's managed to fetch like the Bitbucket, Docker Hub, and all the different credentials. Now we are on the Terraform side. On the Terraform side also, you can see, hey, we managed to authenticate successfully using the Terraform Conjur provider. If I click on a fetch, so you are able to see, we are able to fetch the credential as well. So there are two different credentials what we have included. This is one of the key one, what I was looking for, the OpenShift access environment password. So that's how with the centralized platform, we can help you to provide all the capabilities and all your audited information is going to be centralized. Just to recap, in this entire video, what we have learned, you can secure your entire CI/CD pipeline, as well as you can secure your containerized application with the help of the CyberArk secret management. In this case, it's a Conjur solution. CyberArk, we provide several secret delivery mechanism for OpenShift, and with a minimal amount of changes, your developers will be able to integrate their application with the CyberArk Conjur solution. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching this short video.